Let's take a look at Seller Network. Oh, by the way, I've been uploading update videos on this new channel, Optionzilla. So if you haven't subscribed, I would encourage you to go subscribe and turn notification on, because most likely if you don't see update video for your favorite cryptos at VietMaxim, very likely it will be on Optionzilla. Now let's get back to Seller. Last time I looked at Seller was on October the 7th. Here is a recap of the video that was uploaded on Optionzilla side. The Bollinger Band contracted, expanded when Seller Network spiked up in price. When the price reached an all-time high at 20.7, the Bollinger Band was way overextended, and as the price started to retrace, the band contracted. And now if we look at the width of the band from the time it was overstretched until now, the width of the band has been reduced by at least 30%. But even at where it is right now, the band is still too wide. It needs to contract more, get to the point where it is as tight as what we've seen here, before it could build enough momentum to support another run-up in price. Another thing to look at is when the price ran up to about 13 cents, then retraced, dropped to about 8 cents, and then it ran up all the way to about 20 cents and started to retrace. So Seller is forming this bull flag. A breakout of this bull flag could take Seller to potentially about 27 cents. The momentum could easily take it to about 30 cents. But I don't expect to see Seller making the run very soon. I do believe that right now the Bollinger Band is still too wide. Seller would likely trading sideways within the range of about 11.7 to as high as 17 cents. Consolidate around this to get the Bollinger Band contract more. The key for us to observe is whenever Seller can reclaim the 10-day moving average and stabilize over that. So the key price that I'm looking for is around the 15 cents. The minute Seller can stabilize over the 15 cents for at least 2 or 3 days, then we would expect to see the next spike up in price. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Seller, and the data I have is to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 8th. We looked at Seller Network yesterday when it was trading below this 10 days moving average. Seller make a major move today, spike up, ran all the way to about 16.9 cents, where it get very close to the max range that I had anticipated, which is 17 cents. But the price retraced. So currently, Seller is trading at 15.9 cents, or up about 20%. The most important thing is, it is trading over this very critical 10 days moving average. So the most important thing is for Seller to be able to retain this gain and close today above this red line, which is the 10 days. And for the next couple of days, trade over that and stabilize over that. Let's take a look at Seller on and 1 hour chart. Seller retraced out to about the 11-12 cents, then started to bounce up. One other thing we noticed right away is volume pick up drastically and the price spike up. If we look at the volume right now, it is even twice the volume when Seller started this run from about the 8 cents all the way to 20 cents. So there's no doubt the momentum is tremendous. Seller ran up to about almost 17 cents and started to retrace. So right now we don't have enough data points, but let's say if Seller were to consolidate around this point, then it could potentially form a bull flag. With the momentum that we're seeing here in terms of the value, possibility for breakout is very high, and a breakout of this bull flag could easily take Seller to about 19, and with the momentum, it could easily run up and retest this all-time high. So no doubt, Seller is looking extremely bullish right now. Switch over to the daily chart. Chart is definitely looking very bullish. Volume pick up drastically. The stochastic oscillator is showing a crossover where the blue signal line crosses over and is leading the red line. Seller is in this very near the oversold territory. So definitely it will still have a lot more room to run up. The only thing that I see here is the Bollinger Band. the band is still wide. I am not sure it is ready to support another spike up in price. So I hope the seller is going to prove me wrong. But based on what I see here, everything looks great. But I don't believe that seller is ready to move past the 17 cents and then retest the all-time high within the next couple of days. It is very likely that it will consolidate but trade over this 10 days moving average for at least another 4 or 5 days. Then depends on how Bitcoin perform. If Bitcoin stabilize or trend up, then we will see seller break out and retest this all-time high and potentially reach our target price of 27 cents as part of the breakout of this bull flag. So seller is definitely getting exciting again. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at VidMaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.